Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Safe Haven Valley Workbench. Just wanted to jump on and show you an update on this project. Just could be a quick video. Um, I first want to apologize. The photo that I had thought was going to be attached to the previous video, um, I'm going to try to get it to upload in this video here in just a moment. So that I can actually show you what it looks like for the color scheme. But as you can see, I've got everything pretty much under wraps here. Um, I have everything looking really good. And I'm just going to go over, kind of show you where things are at right now. Basically, I just got the colors all done. I got a little bit of trim work to do, but this is what the walls turned out to be. I'm going to zoom in just because it shows up better. So here is one of the walls. And I like how the red, the detail came out on the post. Gives that nice little bit of color, but worn look. And I did it all by paint. I just dry brushed it. I didn't use any worn effects, no nothing from nothing. That's all by hand. And so that's how that one came out. I'm working on the other piece of it right now. I'm going to frame this in, and I got the pieces right here for this door. And I'm going to probably dry brush the doors with red as well, just to make it look good. And then obviously I have this door to the main. I mean, this is just a standout color. I mean, I'm very pleased with the color, how it came out. It's a well-aged look. It's a blue, like I said, it's a blue gray stain from Hunterline. And then we got, this is the one main wall that's turned out very well. Of the main building. So, and then the other wall turned out just as good. Just as good. It's got a little bit of red there from fading and bleeding. Look at that. You can see it right along the line here on both sides. But, you know, that's okay. It just shows a look like a paint blurb. And then I got the doors there. And so what I did do on the seal, see if I can pick this all up without making a mess here. So here is the windows and doors. I did the red, kind of a worn look on the windows. And I did the seals in red. And then underneath is the white. I did the white, and then under the white I did the blue gray, and I did the white over it, and it just give it just enough of a changed look from white to a little dirt, and I think it came out pretty well. And the contrast of the window, I think that's going to look pretty good. I really do. So next up is I get to start putting all this together. All this will get put together. I'll be working on the extension to this, and I will be making the posts also red. So we'll stay tuned on this project. This project is not really in depth too much, but it's just an alteration to the kit. This is just a small kit. There might be an additional thing I might do to it, but I'm still debating on whether I'm going to do it or not. But for now, I'll get this all done and everything else. So for now, it's just getting the doors in and the windows in, and then I can start assembling all of these pieces. And then we're good to go there. So that's the update. Not a whole lot to really update on. Also, other than that, I got some new tools. I do have some new tools here that I want to show everybody. So I'll push this up out of the way. First things first is I got me this kit. I got this off of Temu. It's three knives, and then I get all these blades. And I didn't pay a whole lot for them, maybe $7 or so. But it has a lot of different angles, like chisels, sharp blades, and all that. So that's pretty cool. The other thing is I have this really fine detailed, it's a nice case. And this is who it is. It's Antonki. It's a set of precision tweezers. This is what they are right there. And looking at the numbers here, you go. It starts at ESD 10. You got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. That's what those all numbers are. And then you got a slant and a couple other different ones here. So this is just a cool addition. Gives me more precision. Very weird. This is like a dental hook look style, but it's actually tweezers. So it's kind of right into a small nitty gritty. So these are very cool tips. They'll help me get into the places that I need to get into when I'm actually doing stuff that requires them. So anyway, that's pretty much a wrap for today. Just wanted to give a quick update, kind of what's going on my bench. The next video will probably come in later this week or in the beginning of next week. But it will be, I'll have everything assembled with the windows and doors on, and we will be working on this addition and starting to do the roofing. And I'm hoping to just get into the roofing portion of it to kind of show you what my take is going to be on the whole roof situation on that. So other than that, you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here sometime over this next week. You guys enjoy your modeling. Love looking at what you guys post online. So we'll see you out there. Have a good day.